Welcome back. Let's create a listing loop. Fill in the documents and send them to your selling client to sign. Step 1. Let's create a new loop. Choose the Add Loop button from your loop dashboard. Name the loop an appropriate name. A good rule of thumb is to name the loop the transaction address and then the seller's last name. On the loop template screen, you will want to choose the listing loop. Now that your seller's transaction loop has been created, let's move on to step 2 to set it up to use. First, go to View Details and add people where needed and set roles as appropriate. Remember, the more information you fill in, the better Dotloop can auto-fill the forms you will need for your new listing. After filling in everything needed, click Save at the bottom. Next, because you chose the listing loop template, the majority of the paperwork needed to list your client's property is already in the loop. You will want to open the agent processing checklist first to see what is required for a listing loop in your region. Complete the paperwork as required and send to your sellers for signatures. Now that your sellers have signed everything required for a new listing, follow your listing checklist. Once you have input the listing into your local multiple listing service, upload the private MLS sheet into the loop as well. Once your listing paperwork is complete, checklist completed and signed, you can submit your listing folder for review by the compliance team.